City Administration, in collaboration with Ladakh Science Foundation and GEM College, organized an interactive session with IIT's delegation and students of the GEM College here.
Session with the students, with the graduate students. I welcome Professor V. Ram Gopal, Director, IIT Delhi. I welcome Professor Abhay Karandikar, IIT Kanpur. Welcome Vasis Chandri, IIT Mumbai. Professor M. Balakrishnan, IIT Delhi. Thank you all. I can imagine you have been coming a long way from Kargil and then hardly had a rest, and once again you are back with your activities. Just Union Home Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal on last Saturday underlined the importance of role of IITs in establishing India as the world leader in education in next 5 years.
Something which was done by Amir Khusru long time ago. Okay, what did he say? That agar firdas padave, jaminast, haminast, hami asta, hamiast. What does it mean? Because this place, wherever you are.
Quality teachers, for particularly maths and physics kind of subjects, is still a problem. At least in Kargil, it is a problem. So they said that we want the Kargil administration said we want help from IITs to train teachers for the 11th and 12th standard, in these subjects like maths and physics, so that for these competitive exams, we can go and crack some of these kind of exams. So I'm sure that is also something that IITs are looking forward to doing. So I think this is all from my side, and I think since I have 3 more speakers, so I will stop here.
MSc from IIT. So my question is that is it available? Is it possible?
Yes, it is possible. Yes. Which BTech you done in which discipline?
Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Yes, so you can do. For example, you can apply for it.
But as of now, I'm thinking of doing something in lab. I have proper channel. I don't have proper channel to interact with institute, but I'm still taking guidance and consultancy from PhD students and professors from IIT Bombay. So, my point is.
I want to say that the 4 years at IIT Bombay was really great one.
When did you finish?
Yeah, I completed in 2019. Yes. So right now I want to do my masters, and I would have really preferred if I would have got a chance to do it here only in my home place. But right now I know there's no any such chance here, and I just want to say that having an engineering college is a different thing, but the professors and the students that will come in that college will make the main impact. So one suggestion that I want to give is, if we are opening an engineering college, what we can do is we can have an exchange program for the students from outside to come here, and from students who will enroll in that college to go to the other IITs in India. That will be a more from
IIT Chandigarh in Construction Technology and Management. Now I'm working as an outsourced employee in PMGSY Pradhan Mantri Garam Sadak Yojana as a contractual JE sir. Before that, I worked with Government Polytechnic Leh as a contractual lecturer for 4 years. So I would like to share some points regarding the importance of engineering institutes in Leh, because the main problem faced by students who are studying.
MTech from NIT Rourkela. Now I'm just master graduate. Here I feel that mostly IITs offer incubation center for entrepreneurs. That was the major area which in this current world, which I think can emerge if we had a IIT.
IIT director, live interaction session report tene te na tubu na ma ko doubt clear so to tene tubu na ma ko ha go stop to shi ki zu shi kin tene IIT sina kaduk shi yat IIT sina philok tina silches ngati inna ru campus set up chona kaduk shi demo du tesko na ngata IIT director Kanpur indo Bombay indo tene Delhi indo te changme te director ne batu na ko na te exposure batu ngati tu na te fe ngata ma demo so to tene ngai iga EGM college principal nang tene staff nang students ma thankful in tene koni some demo ya ponga iga program organized just to yang yang some supportive duk tene ka just tene program ma successful they thank you EGM college staff student and all the faculty